Speak, listen up.
Excuse me? I think my suitcase didn't arrive.
Oh, that happens sometimes. May I see your baggage claim ticket?
Sure. Here. It's a black suitcase with a red ribbon.
Okay, let me check the system.
Please tell me it's here. I have all my clothes inside.
I don't see it yet. Which flight were you on?
From London. It landed about 30 minutes ago.
Ah, yes. Sometimes luggage arrives on the next plane.
Next plane? That's tomorrow morning, right?
Don't worry. We'll file a delay report for you.
Delay report? Is that like a lost luggage report?
Almost. Delay means bag is late. Lost means bag is gone.
Oh, so my bag is late, not dead.
Exactly. Late bags usually arrive within 24 hours.
But I have a big meeting tomorrow. This is bad.
Do you need important things inside? Laptop, papers?
Yes, my presentation slides, my notebook, even my shoes.
I understand. You can make an emergency essentials claim.
Essentials, like a toothbrush, or maybe new socks.
Yes, things you need immediately. Just keep your receipts.
Okay, so I buy stuff, keep the receipt, and you pay me back?
Exactly. We call it a reimbursement.
Reimburse? What?
Reimbursement. It means money back.
Oh, cool word. I'll use it at my meeting.
Careful, bosses don't usually like that word.
True. So, where do I fill this delay report?
Right here on this form. Write your name, flight number, and address.
Address, but I'm staying at a hotel.
That's fine. We'll deliver your suitcase directly there.
Wait, you deliver? Like pizza?
Exactly, but no pepperoni on your suitcase.
I like that. But how do you find my bag exactly?
Every suitcase has a barcode. It's like a passport for your bag.
A suitcase passport? That's new.
Yep, we scan it at every stop, so I can see where it got stuck.
And where is mine stuck?
It says Heathrow.
Oh no, my bag is still in London?
Don't panic. It's probably having tea and biscuits right now.
So, my bag is still in London having tea.
Yes, but don't worry. We'll invite it here soon.
And when it comes, you'll bring it to my hotel?
Exactly. Straight to your door, like VIP service.
Ooh, my bag will feel like a celebrity.
Careful, it might ask for an autograph.
I'll sign it to my dearest suitcase.
Perfect. Now, do you know your hotel address?
I only booked online. I forgot the street name.
That's okay. Do you have the confirmation email?
Yes, on my phone. Wait, scrolling. Oh, here it is.
Great. I'll write it down.
You write fast like a doctor, but readable.
Thank you. Best compliment today.
So, how long do I have to wait for my bag?
Usually less than 24 hours. Sometimes only a few hours.
Hours? That's not too bad. I can survive.
Exactly. Worst case, it comes tomorrow morning.
And if it doesn't come tomorrow morning?
Then we upgrade from delay to search mission.
Search mission? Sounds like a spy movie.
Yes, your bag is Agent Suitcase 007.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Now, about essentials. Do you need toothpaste, shampoo, clothes?
Yes, everything. My bag has all my life.
Don't worry. Go buy basic items. We will refund later.
Can I buy ice cream too?
Only if you brush your teeth with it.
Okay, so just real essentials.
Exactly. Things you cannot live without for one day.
Like a phone charger.
Yes, perfect example.
What about new suit for meeting?
That might be too much. Only basic needs.
Oh, so no shopping spree for me?
Sorry, not this time.
Fine. Toothbrush, charger, maybe t-shirt?
Good choices. Keep the receipts.
Receipts. Receipts. I must remember.
Yes, receipts are your golden tickets.
And if you find my bag, how do you call me?
We take your phone number and email.
Okay, let me write them down.
Great. We also send tracking updates.
Tracking updates? Like a pizza delivery app?
Exactly, but no cheese smell from the bag.
That's useful. So I see when bag is moving?
Yes, you get status like located in transit, out for delivery.
Sounds fancy. Almost like my bag is a VIP.
Your bag is very important person object.
VIPO.
Perfect. That's a new word.
So how often do bags get lost here?
Very rarely. Mostly they are just delayed.
That's good news.
Yes, 95% come back in one day.
95%? That's high.
Exactly. So odds are in your favor.
Okay, I trust the numbers.
Numbers never lie.
This form is long. Do I fill everything?
Only important parts. Name, address, contact, bag details.
Bag details? Like color? Size?
Yes, and special marks.
Mine is black with red ribbon.
Perfect. That ribbon helps a lot.
I knew the ribbon was a smart idea.
Very smart. It saves time.
Okay, form done.
Great. Let me check if everything is clear.
Do I sign here?
Yes, signature and date.
My signature is messy.
That's fine, as long as it's yours.
Good, because it looks like a snake.
Snakes are welcome on forms.
Okay, done.
Perfect. Now we enter this in system.
So my bag is officially missing in action.
Yes, but soon to be back on mission.
What should I do while waiting?
Relax. Enjoy the city. Buy essentials.
Hard to relax without my stuff.
I know, but bags usually come fast.
Can I call you for updates?
Yes, here is our helpline number.
Helpline sounds serious.
It's just a phone number for help.
Okay, that's better.
And you can check online with your tracking code.
Tracking code, like a secret password?
Yes, but less secret.
Good, because I forget passwords a lot.
Then write this one down.
Writing now.
Great. Keep it safe.
Safe? Like treasure.
Exactly. Your treasure code.
I like that. Treasure code.
Sounds cool, right?
Do bags ever go to wrong countries?
Sometimes, yes. Funny stories happen.
Tell me one.
One bag meant for New York went to Tokyo.
Oh, wow. Long vacation for that bag.
Yes, bag saw more than the owner.
Ha, I hope mine doesn't visit Tokyo.
Don't worry, your bag loves you too much.
That's sweet.
Bags are loyal. They always come home.
Like dogs?
Yes, but without barking.
That helps.
Humor is good when waiting.
True. It makes time go faster.
Exactly. Stay positive.
I will try.
Good attitude brings good luck.
Fingers crossed for my bag.
Yes, crossed and double-crossed.
So, when do you think I'll see it?
Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow morning.
I hope tonight.
Stay near your phone for updates.
Okay, I'll keep ringer loud.
Good. Delivery team will call.
I hope they don't call at 3 a.m.
Sometimes, yes, but they are polite.
I will answer anyway if it's my bag.
Exactly. Bag is priority.
This feels like waiting for a date.
Yes, romantic, but with luggage.
Bag love story.
Coming soon on Netflix.
I would watch that.
Starring you and Suitcase 007.
Perfect. I already feel famous.
See, bags bring adventure.
Adventure with stress.
True, but happy ending comes.
Thank you for helping me today.
You're welcome. It's my job to help.
You were kind and funny.
Glad to make you smile.
I was very stressed before.
Now you are calmer, yes?
Yes, much calmer.
Good. Bags come back when people relax.
Really? Is that a rule?
Not official, but I believe it.
Then I'll relax extra hard.
Perfect positive energy helps.
Okay, I'll buy my essentials and wait.
Yes, do that. Keep tracking codes safe.
Treasure code safe in my phone.
Excellent. Smart move.
I feel better now.
Great. That's my goal.
Bye for now, Agent Suitcase 007.
Bye. See you soon with your bag.
Now it's quiz time. What does reimbursement mean? A free gift from the airport? Money you get back after spending? A secret password for luggage? The name of a suitcase barcode?
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Correct answer is B. Money you get back after spending. 2. Why does the traveler suitcase have a red ribbon? A. To make it look pretty. B. To show it is a VIP bag. C. To help identify it quickly. D. Because the airline asked for it.
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Correct answer, C. To help identify it quickly. Number 3. What does the airport worker compare the suitcase barcode to? A. A pizza delivery code. B. A passport for the bag. C. A shopping receipt. D. A treasure map.
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Correct answer is B. A passport for the bag. 4. What is the tracking code used for? A. To call the airline manager. B. To play an airport game. C. To check the bag's location online. Or D. To get free food at the airport.
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
The correct answer is C. To check the bag's location online. 5. What percent of delayed bags usually return within one day? A. 50%, B. 75%, C. 90%, D. 95%.
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Correct answer, D. 95%. Boom! Great work! Practice more, shine more. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.